Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Have you ever dreamed of escaping to a tranquil, eclectic paradise right in the heart of the city? Imagine a space where every corner invites relaxation, creativity, and a touch of whimsy. That's the essence of a Bohemian Chic balcony. Today, we'll explore how to transform any balcony into a stunning Bohemian oasis, filled with vibrant textiles, lush greenery, and artistic decor. Stay tuned for inspiring ideas and practical tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Let's dive in. To achieve this stunning Bohemian Chic look on your own balcony, start with a base of comfortable seating adorned with vibrant textiles. Add layers of lush greenery with a mix of potted plants and vertical gardens. Enhance the ambiance with a variety of lighting sources, from string lights to candles. Finally, personalize your space with eclectic decor pieces that reflect your unique style. Bohemian Chic is all about vibrant textiles and a rich palette of colors. Think bold patterns, eclectic mixes of fabrics, and an explosion of hues that create a lively and inviting atmosphere. Bohemian Chic embraces an array of patterns from different cultures, such as Moroccan rugs, Indian tapestries, and Turkish cushions. These textiles not only add visual interest, but also tactile comfort, inviting you to relax and unwind. The key is in layering, combining different textures and patterns in a way that feels harmonious yet effortless. This layering creates depth and complexity, making the space feel warm and welcoming. Plants play a central role in Bohemian Chic design. They bring life, color, and a sense of tranquility to the space, making you feel connected to nature, even in the midst of the city. Incorporate a variety of plants, from hanging ferns to potted palms. Vertical gardens and wall-mounted planters are perfect for maximizing space and adding depth. The greenery creates a lush, vibrant backdrop that complements the eclectic mix of colors and patterns, fostering a serene and calming environment. When selecting plants, consider their light and water requirements. Combine plants with different leaf shapes, sizes, and colors to create a layered, multi-dimensional effect. This diversity mimics the natural environment, making the space feel more organic and alive. Lighting sets the mood and enhances the bohemian vibe, making the space feel magical and inviting, especially in the evenings. Use string lights, lanterns, and candles to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. The soft glow of fairy lights intertwined with plants and draped over furniture adds a touch of whimsy and romance. Layering different types of lighting, like overhead string lights and ground-level lanterns, helps to create a dynamic and enchanting space that feels both intimate and expansive. For a more sustainable approach, consider using solar-powered lights. They charge during the day and provide a warm glow in the evening, reducing your carbon footprint. Additionally, LED candles offer the flickering warmth of real candles without the fire hazard, making them a safe and practical choice. Personal touches and eclectic decor pieces are what truly make a Bohemian Chic balcony unique. These elements add character and tell a story, making the space feel personal and lived in. Incorporate art pieces, handcrafted items, and flea market finds. Wind chimes create soothing sounds that enhance the relaxing atmosphere. Macramé hangings add a handmade touch, bringing in texture and craftsmanship. Vintage accessories, such as antique lanterns or old-world pottery, add a sense of history and charm. The beauty of Bohemian decor lies in its ability to blend seemingly disparate elements into a cohesive and captivating whole. Each item should reflect your personality and experiences, making the space truly your own. As we've seen, the Bohemian Chic style brings a vibrant and eclectic touch to any city balcony, transforming it into a serene and inviting oasis. The use of vibrant textiles, rich in patterns and colors, creates a lively atmosphere, while the abundant greenery adds a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Ambient lighting, through string lights, lanterns, and candles, enhances the magical and cozy feel of the space, making it perfect for both day and night use. Artistic and eclectic decor pieces, including unique art, macramé hangings, and vintage accessories, add personal character and charm, making the balcony truly unique and reflective of individual style. By incorporating these elements, you can create a Bohemian Chic balcony that not only looks beautiful, but also feels like a personal retreat. Whether it's a cozy corner for relaxation or a vibrant space for entertaining, the Bohemian Chic style offers endless possibilities to express your creativity and make the most of your urban outdoor space. So, let your imagination run wild and transform your balcony into a bohemian paradise that you'll love spending time in. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Bohemian Chic balconies. Whether you have a small city balcony or a larger outdoor space, these tips and ideas can help you create your own bohemian paradise. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Visionary Designs, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your favorite bohemian element and how you plan to incorporate it into your space. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating.